The graph shows the functions k of a and g of a. Find all the values of a for which k of a is equal g of a. When we have to find when k of a equals to g of a, it means we have to find the points for which our two functions cross each other. So first point we have here. The first coordinate, what is? We have unit -1, -2, -3. So this is -3 and this is on the a-axis, so y is 0. Next point in which our two functions cross, we have here, this is 0, first coordinate, and the second is 1. And the third point in which our two functions cross is, we have 1, 2 unit, 3, 4.5, 4.5, and the second coordinate is 1.5, 1.5. We have to find all values of a for which k of a is equal g of a. So we need to find the a. So first point, the first coordinate a is equal to -3. Next, a is first coordinate is 0. And in the third point, the first coordinate is 4.5. So for these three values, we have that k of a is equal g of a. This is my solution.